Hi everyone, this side Dr. Keyur Vora from Adani Petrochemicals. I am a steering committee board member of this Automation 2026. Today's roadshow at Pune is a grand success and trailer of Automation 2026 being hosted at Bombay Exhibition Center, Mumbai, India. This is truly international event wherein we are going to have more than 1,000 exhibitors, more than 80,000 visitors. This year, we are going to make a special efforts to create futuristic control room which basically takes care of today's need of a command center which has integration of various capabilities of artificial intelligence, real-time data, cybersecurity. It takes care of ergonomics accordance to ISO 116064. Please do visit Automation 2026 from 22nd to 26th July. Also, register for a control room conferences in which you are going to witness and learn how to design, how to build, how to create environment for the futuristic control room, and it will truly give you insight of today's command center in the world. Please do visit Automation 2026. Thank you.